கருவியும் காலமும் செய்கையும் செய்யும் அருவினையும் மாண்டது அமைச்சு. இது அமைச்சு அப்படிங்கிற 631வது குறளாக வரக்கூடிய திருக்குறள். ஒரு அமைச்சர் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறத சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு மிக முக்கியமான குறள் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். It says that a minister is a person who understands கருவி, tools, time, how to when he decides to do something, you must know the right tools, you must understand how it should be done. You can even talk about a project or a scheme or anything which has a policy which has to be implemented. You should know the right time. It cannot be ahead of time, it cannot be behind time. And you should understand what are the tools to be used to implement that scheme, and also how it has to be done and who it has to reach. So with this understanding, if you implement something, only it will reach the people. And Thiruvalluvar says that a person who understands all this and considers all this is a good minister. And I think a good example will be my father, Kalaignar Karunanidhi, because every scheme of his was thought out. And I think the time was right, and it was carefully considered. For example, when he announced marriage scheme for girls who completed their schooling, people said, you can just announce it for anybody, all the women who aspire to get married, or families who want to get them a girl is married. But he said it is not a scheme for marriage. It is a scheme to ensure that a girl from a village or a underprivileged background finishes her schooling. So I think today Thalapathy, our present Chief Minister, is able to implement Pudhumai Pen Thittam, which actually supports college going students from underprivileged backgrounds from government schools today, is because Kalaignar started this scheme and ensured that girls finish their schooling. Now they're stepping into colleges and they need that support. So that scheme has been changed to Pudhumai Pen Thittam today. So it was done at the right moment, and it gave the right nudge for the girls to finish their schooling. This is my favorite because I think this is important. This Kural actually teaches every public representative how to govern, how to implement policies, and how to take it forward. So I think this is my guiding Kural when it comes to public life.